Hello students, welcome to Absolute Classes of English. In today's video, I will teach you about business letters. Business letters are also a kind of formal letter, and there are four types of business letters. Four types mean there are four types of questions based on business letters. Four types of questions are inquiry of price, means asking for quotation. Quotation is a business term which means asking for price, terms and conditions before placing an order. Any organization, any firm before any bulk purchase wants to know about the prices, terms and conditions to a dealer or to a business organization. So this type of letter is called inquiry of price or asking for a quotation. Second type of business letter is sending quotation. So when in response to inquiry of price, when a business organization is writing to the person or the company, sending the price list, this type of letter is known as sending quotation. Okay. Third type of letter, business letter, is placing order. So when you are satisfied with the price, terms and conditions, you are placing order to a company or to a shop to buy or purchase some items. So this letter is known as placing order. And fourth type of business letter is cancellation of order. Cancellation of order for due to as you have not received the order or delivery of goods or at the right time, you are cancelling the order. So this type of letter is cancelling of order. So one by one, all these four types of letter I will discuss in this video. So let's start from the first type, inquiry of price and asking for quotation. So let's start with the first type of business letter. This is inquiry of price. Inquiry of price means asking for quotation. The quotation is asking for price, terms and conditions to a business organization, to a shop before purchasing anything. So here is an imaginary question. Imaginary question is that you are the principal and your school is going to organize a sports week. And to organize this sports week, you need some sports equipment and sports goods. And before placing an order, you want to know about the prices, terms and conditions to, for example, an imaginary company is there, Sports India Limited. So you want to purchase some items from Sports India Limited after reading their advertisement in a newspaper. So being a principal of that school, Sunrise Public School for example, you are writing this letter. You are writing this letter to Sports India Limited. So how will you write this letter? So this is a formal type of letter. So there are certain formalities and the proper documentation of such letters is needed. So you will give all proper informations in a formal way. So first of all, there is format. Okay, format is sender's address in 3 lines. Left hand side. Left hand side on the page of your answer sheet, you will mention sender address. So who is the sender here? So you are the principal of school. So you will write the address of the school here. For example, Sunrise Public School, Meerut. Okay. Then after leaving one line, you will leave one line. After leaving one line, you will mention the date. Date which date? Date of writing the letter. For example, you are writing letter today, so 5th May 2020. You will mention the date. And again, after leaving one line, you will mention reference number. This reference number is mentioned in business letter. This is necessary because proper documentation is needed. So for proper documentation, you will give reference number. Reference number may be, for example, Sunrise Public School. In short, you can SRPS 1234. Any serial number you can mention here. Any serial number. This is reference number. That's enough. Okay. And then again, after leaving one line, you will mention address of addressee. Address of addressee to whom you are writing letter. The person who will receive this letter. For example, the sales manager of Sports India Limited will receive this letter. So you will mention the sales manager, Sports India Limited, New Delhi. You will mention here addressee. Okay. Then again, after leaving one line, you will mention subject. You will write subject heading, and then again subject heading. You will write subject क्या है? Inquiry of price. Inquiry of price of sports goods or asking for quotation of sports goods. Anyone you can write. You can write asking for quotation of sports goods. Okay. Then again, after leaving one line, you on the left hand side, you will write salutation. Salutation here is dear sir or madam. You will be here dear sir or madam. You will write dear sir madam. Then you will start writing the letter. Okay. Then you will start writing the letter paragraph wise. As I have told in my earlier video in letter to editor, you will mention this is the body of letter. So para wise, para 1, para 2, para 3, you will mention. And then after mentioning all these three para, which I will discuss later, I will discuss what you have to write in every paragraph, para 1, para 2, para 3. And the last line, after mentioning all the three paragraphs, you will write closing line. What will be the closing line? I will tell you later. Okay, and then after writing the body of the letter and again leaving one line, you will write thanking you, that is closing. And yours faithfully, and after yours faithfully, you will sign some fixed sign, and then you will write name, whatever name is given in the question. For example, you are A.K. Singh principal, so you will write sign and A.K. Singh principal, your designation. Okay, Sunrise Public School principal, Sunrise Public School. So this is the format. Okay, and now we will discuss about para-wise content. What will be the content in every paragraph? So you will start writing para 1. So you will start writing para 1 after salutation, dear sir, madam. So what will you write in para 1? You will then in para 1 you will make sentence about reference to advertisement with newspaper date and purpose. So after newspaper, in any newspaper you have read an advertisement from this Sports India Limited. Sports India Limited. So you will write a sentence. This is in response to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 4th May 2020 or 5th May 2020 regarding sales and manufacturing of sports items. So you will mention about that advertisement by that company. Okay, and then you will also mention name of the newspaper and date regarding sales and manufacturing of sports goods. And then you will give intro, because first time you are writing this letter, first time you are making this correspondence with this company, so we will give intro of your organization. Apna nahi, not personal organization, you not personal but of organization. For example, you are writing on behalf of Sunrise Public School. This is not personal letter, this is on behalf of the school. So on behalf of the school you are writing, you will mention organization. For example, Sunrise Public School is a senior secondary school and affiliated with CBSE with a strength of 2000 students. So you maybe give a general introduction of the school, because you are writing on the behalf of the school. And you will use third person, you will not use I because this is not personal letter. Either you will use the name of that school or you will use we. Sunrise Public School is senior secondary school affiliated to CBSE. Okay, this is para 1. This is para 1. You will make sentence, and then after leaving one line, you will start writing for the next line. That is paragraph changing. In paragraph 2, you will write about purpose of purchasing. Purpose of purchasing, for example, according to question, your school is organizing a sports event or sports week. So you will write that our school or Sunrise Public School is organizing a sports week for which we are in need of, or for which we need various sports equipments, various sports goods. And then again you will mention name of items your organization wish to purchase. What do you want to purchase? So you will mention their names. Our school is in need of various sports goods for this event, like cricket bat, football, cricket ball, tennis ball. So you will mention in a sentence about these items. We are in need of these sports items. So this is your paragraph second. Okay, no problem. And then para 3. After leaving one line and changing the line, from the next paragraph you will start writing. When you will start writing para 3, you will make inquiry, because this is inquiry letter. This is inquiry letter, inquiry of price. What kind of inquiry you are making in this letter, you will mention in para 3. So in para 3, you will make an inquiry about in sentences. Make an inquiry about mode of payment, advance payment. So you can make a sentence that we would like to know about the mode of payment and advance payment required before placing order. This sentence can be written. We would like to know about the mode of payment and advance payment required. And then again next sentence you will make about discount available. We would also like to know about the discount available on bulk purchase. Bulk means lot of. So you can ask the company about the discount available. We would like to know about the discount available by your company. Credit facility, if you want to avail credit facility, you can also make inquiry. Can you tell us about credit facility offered by your company? You can make a question. Okay, transportation charges, you can also ask about transportation charges. We would also like to know, or let us know about, please inform us also about transportation charges, whether included or excluded in the price list. And then next sentence you will make about safe delivery of goods. We are also not responsible for any damage occurring due to transportation. The responsibility would lie with you. Responsibility would lie with the company. Okay, you will make a sentence. A right to send available sample. You will also it would be our pleasure. It would be our pleasure if you please send some available samples of goods. So samples, you can make a demand of samples, few available samples of goods, and then give a deadline to send quotation. Deadline is any date or duration you can give. You can write that the quotation should reach to us. Quotation means this price list, price terms and condition. The quotation should reach to us within 10 days. Within 10 days, or you can give any further date, any date, or the quotation should reach to us within 10 days for receiving of this letter. And then last line, closing. So closing is there. So close with a hope or request. So we hope for a quick and positive response from your side. We hope for a quick and positive response from your side. So in this way you can close this letter. So this is the format and content of inquiry of price and or asking for quotation. And after that we will discuss about second type of letter, sending quotation. How to send quotation from on behalf of the company, how to send a quotation. I hope that you would have liked this video, so please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Absolute Classes of English, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for new and further educational updates. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.